everybody. So today I have my March Young Living Essential Rewards order. I did do a bigger one this month, basically because I love all of the promos. It's all about spring cleaning, and I'll get into that later. So first I needed to, you guys are gonna laugh because I always have to get my lavender. So I have 2 bottles this month of lavender. You know, calming. You can use it for pretty much anything. It's also really nice for the skin and calming down pretty much all the time, especially the baby too. And speaking of the baby, we got SleepyIze, 2 of those as well. So we actually use this in her diffuser, or we roll it on the bottom of her feet. I have the little roller attachments for these as well. So I like to use that, and it does have rue oil or ruta oil, and that one ingredient itself, I believe, makes the biggest difference in that blend. Gentle Baby. Gentle Baby basically smells like baby powder. I love to use this in anything that I DIY for her. I will use it for her baby wash, which I use all the time, every single day. I use it in her lotion and any kind of rub down I do for her. I use Gentle Baby and sometimes lavender too. I'll use these together a lot. So I have that. Next I have Geranium, and Geranium is floral. You could use it as a perfume, but I diffuse it too, but my main purpose in getting this one right now is for the scar. You can see it's gotten a little bit better, obviously, over time, and it's a new scar and everything, but it's not as raised or as red or anything like that. But I have been putting the aloe oil on it because I do have that, and that's from the Kids Sense line, and I have the roller on that as well, and I've been putting that on it ever since it happened, and that has helped minimize the scarring a lot. But I'm going to try Geranium as well in the skin serum I'm going to make. And Gentle Baby I'm also going to use in that skin serum. I forgot to mention that. So Gentle Baby and possibly lavender, we'll see. German Chamomile. It's like a soft floral, and it encourages feelings of peace and patience. It's chamomile, so it's going to be calming. So I am excited to give this guy a try. Another new oil to me is White Angelica, and this oil is right now only available to Essential Rewards members, so you can't do a quick order on it. You have to be enrolled on Essential Rewards, which I don't know why you wouldn't anyway. You get free things and earn points and get money back, but Young Living also rewards you for loyalty. So excellent program, and you know, you get to buy oils like White Angelica, and that smells really good. And this oil helps promote a positive atmosphere, helps promote feelings of protection and security against negative energy. So it has 10 essential oils, and I'm going to read them off to you, and I would probably mess it up if I didn't read it. So it has bergamot, geranium, myrrh, sandalwood, rosewood, ylang ylang, black spruce, hyssop, melissa, and rose. So this is a very powerful little bottle here. So I'm gonna try that one too. Next I have Release, and I am so obsessed with this oil. It's aside from lavender, it's probably one of my favorites. I want to say it's in my top 5, but if you know me, I say everything's in my top 5. But Release is absolutely amazing. It helps release anger and frustration. I would say it does, but not that I'm angry and frustrated all the time, but it definitely helps you relax. I have another favorite, Northern Lights Black Spruce. And this oil is another one of my favorites. These 2, I didn't even run out of them yet, and I'm close, but I usually wait till I run out to reorder, but I don't want to be without these 2. So Northern Lights Black Spruce It is relaxing, grounding, as well as spiritual oil. So, and it does smell like a tree. It does smell like spruce. It's very, very nice. So, I also have Citrus Fresh. I got this oil for free. And Citrus Fresh has orange, tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, mandarin, and spearmint. So I actually like to clean with this one a lot. I'll add it to my Thieves household cleaner, which I cannot say enough good things about this. Also got this for free this month, but I will add it into that, or I'll just diffuse it. It smells amazing, very refreshing, especially for like the springtime. So got my Citrus Fresh. I have Lemon Vitality. Pop this guy in water. It tastes so good. It's so refreshing. I also like Jade Lemon in my water. Yeah, Jade Lemon. It's not as intense as just the Lemon Vitality, but they're both very, very good. Yeah, so I mentioned this, the Thieves household cleaner. So get my next guy up. Show you what else we got. You can see it is a spray bottle for the household cleaner. You can see at the bottom it actually shows you 1 cap full of Thieves household cleaner, 2 cups or 16 ounces of water, which is this entire thing, and you mix it together and shake to combine. So it literally tells you how to make it, and it literally is a cap full of this cleaner in here with distilled water. That's it. So this is very cost effective. There's basically no cleaner that can, I want to say, clean as well and be as cheap as this. It smells amazing. Like, I just find myself cleaning just to clean. So these were free. And I already have a glass. You have to use glass too, because the oils will break down plastic. But I do have a glass spray bottle right over there. It actually has a black top on it, but it is clear. But this one says Thieves on it, so I'm gonna have to switch and make my next batch in here. So, very excited about that. Not to mention you can use this to DIY pretty much any cleaner item that you would want. So, and I also have Thieves dish soap. I got this for free as well. It's a lot cleaner than any other, I want to say, chemical laden soap that there is out there, because you eat off this stuff and you drink things out of your cups, and you don't want there to be like a residue of a chemical product or dishwashing detergent on your plates, like that film. You don't want that. You don't want your family to have that. It's just, that's toxic. You want to get that out. So kick that out, grab yourself some Thieves dish soap, and they also do have dishwashing detergent as well. Or you can make your own. I do have a video on that too. And I also have Hope Essential Oil. This one I'm really excited about too. It has sweet almond oil, melissa, juniper, myrrh, and black spruce. So this promotes feelings of hope. Oh, that's nice too. It's a very complex oil and I really like it. And this was free. And this is not a cheap oil, you guys. I want to say it's like $50. I could be wrong, but this is inexpensive oil. And it's a 5 milliliter. So it was free. All right, I'll show you my free stuff. Hope was free. Lemon Vitality was free. Citrus Fresh was free. Ooh. Thieves dish soap, free. Thieves household cleaner and spray bottle, free. All that was free this month, and that was just for placing the order that I needed anyway, because I had been doing smaller orders because we are moving in about 3 or 4 weeks. So this will be my last video in this house for Essential Rewards at least. I'm gonna wait till the end of April to place that order once we move in a little bit settled. So my April Essential Rewards order video is probably going to be the very, very end of the month, but I'll get back to you on that. So, but I have all these oils that I need and love. Oh, those are 2 lavenders. 2 Sleepy Eyes. Gentle Baby. And Geranium, German Chamomile, White Angelica, and Hope. These 4 are new to me, and I'm so excited to try them and let you know how I like them and all of that. So keep you guys updated, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'm gonna go head out for my birthday and get my nails done because they look horrible. I hope you guys didn't see that, but I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.